Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dana and welcome to the House of Freeman. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the March 2020 beauty box by Look Fantastic. It is here. I'm going to go through everything that's in the box, go through the little booklet inside and explain to you how you can get your hands on the Look Fantastic subscription boxes yourself. If that sounds something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. To start off with, let's give you a little bit of information about Look Fantastic. So you can get the beauty box from them for either a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month or 12 month subscription. The longer you subscribe for, the more you will save. So when you buy it for 1 month, it's £15, but then when you buy it for a 12-month contract, it is £13. You get free delivery on the beauty boxes and they get shipped right to your door at the beginning of each month. So without any further ado, let's get into what's in the March 2020 box. I've shunted to the side so that I can present the products here for you. When you get your box, it comes in this lovely, quite sturdy cardboard box with this month's theme on the front and a little hashtag there. Once you open the box, you are immediately greeted with the little booklet, which gives you tips, reviews, inspiration and interviews for the month. And then you have the products underneath the tissue paper here. If I just open that up for you, it will give you a little spoiler as to what's in here. There you go. You can see the products there. You get 6 curated products in each box each month. And let's get into what's in the March box. So you get a little blurb in the booklet telling you about what this month's theme is. So for March, it says, "This March, feel empowered, inspired and confident with our unconstricted edition beauty box. Filled with 6 expertly curated products to help you feel the best version of yourself. In this month's beauty box edit, we're focusing on collaboration and inclusion in all forms, from inspiring quotes from some of the biggest names in the beauty world to product recommendations from some well-known beauty box lovers. Plus, with International Women's Day taking place on the 8th of March, we are encouraging our subscribers to feel strong and united. Standing together, we can achieve so much more. Amelia." Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? And then once you go further into the booklet, it shows you the products that you're getting in the box, how much they are. It gives you a little 10 minutes. It gives you some step-by-steps how to use things, what niacinamide is, which is always helpful, a little women's history timeline, and some different stories from beauty box lovers. So let's get into the products, shall we? Now, if I'm looking down, it's because I've got the little booklet on the table and I can read to you the descriptions of the products. The first one we're going to go into is the Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask by Gro Gorgeous. This is a 30ml product and it is worth £3.75. Get visibly thicker and more nourished hair with this unique mask from Gro Gorgeous. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots, oat lipids to lock in moisture, and hyaluronic acids for that silky soft finish. Apply to damp hair, massage the product into your scalp and smoothing through the lengths of your hair. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Now, I don't use a lot of hair products. I'm one of those people who just gets in the shower, uses a little bit of Head and Shoulders and gets out again, leaves it to air dry. As you can probably see from my hair, I have tried to fix it, but you know, what can you do? So I'm going to give this product a little try, give it a little trial and see if I like it. If I do, I might pick up the full size. Next is the Madara, hopefully saying that correctly, Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. This is what the box looks like. Let me just take the product out for you. So it's a little tube, little black and white tube, and it says this is a 15ml product and it is worth £35. So if you bought this box and it cost you £15, you've already made double that by just this one product. It says this eye cream targets signs of tiredness and aging, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Its smoothing formula hydrates the eye area to reveal younger, more radiant looking skin. How to use. Apply morning and night around the eye area to freshly cleansed skin. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I'd probably give it a go, but I do have several other eye creams, so I can give this one a go. I mean, it is £35, so let's try it out, shall we? The next product we have is the Hair Burst Chewable Hair Vitamins. This is a 15-day supply, and this is worth £12.49. Start your journey to healthy, luscious locks with these Hair Burst Hair Care Vitamins, which combat effects of heat styling, colouring and aging. Taken regularly, research shows that 98% of users notice faster hair growth. How to use. Take 2 capsules per day for best results, ideally both together in the morning before eating. So inside the box you are getting, yeah, that's what I thought, 3 different trays of pills, which you just take in the morning. I'm not a big vitamin junkie. I take some normal multivitamins in the morning. I don't really add these into my morning schedule. So anything that I'm not going to try from the beauty boxes that I unbox on this channel, I'm going to put the products in a giveaway for you guys. We're going to have a little subscriber goal, and then whenever we reach that, I will put everyone, all of the subscribers, into the draw for the giveaway, and then we will have one lucky winner who will gain a load of different products, hopefully. Please do subscribe to the channel for a chance to win one of these giveaways. Next, we have the Rodion Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. This is a 20ml product, and this is worth £13. Take your facial cleansing routine to the next level with this luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm from Rodion. Formulated with bee venom, an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines, and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. Massage a coin-sized amount onto a dry face, then splash with a small amount of warm water to emulsify, and allow the balm to transform into a milky cleanser. Rinse. Wow, this looks like something that I would actually be quite interested in. I am a cleanser and moisturizer junkie, so I will be using this and seeing how it fares with my skin. Next, we have the Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda, I hopefully said that correctly, shower oil. This is a 75ml product, and this is worth £4.90. It says Indian rose and sweet almond oil are at the base of this ritual shower oil, which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. Pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over the body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes into a luxurious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed, and smelling delicious. Let me just open this up. Oh, that is lovely, but it's got almond oil in it, so I don't know how that's going to react with my skin, so I think I'm going to put this one in the giveaway as well. And lastly, for the March box, we have an Elizabeth Arden Superstar Skin Renewal Booster. This is a 5ml product, and it is worth £7.50. £7.50 for 5ml. Oh, it better be good. It says designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew. This Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. How to use. Apply just 1 pump into a freshly cleansed face before applying serum and moisturizer. Okay, I don't know how many pumps you are going to get out of this product. It's not particularly big, but it is probably just a little tester size. I will probably add this to my beauty routine for a couple of days to see how it fares. I do have a little bit of sun damaging under my eyes here, so hopefully that can get rid of some of the rosacea. So that's all the products in the March 2020 Look Fantastic Beauty Box. You do get a little sneak peek of what's going to be in the next month's box. So it says April sneak peek, a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. Oh, I love makeup, as you know, so getting a eyeshadow palette in a box is always wonderful. It is a Peach Blossom palette worth $28.99. So already with this eyeshadow palette, it is worth picking up the next box. It says with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, the Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launched with the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blendable, and a perfect size for traveling with a handy mirror inside. Oh, that is very exciting. I look forward to getting that in the next box. Right, thank you very much for joining me today and watching this video. If you could give it a little like down below and subscribe to the channel, that would be wonderful. Remember, everything that I don't think I'll use in these beauty boxes will be going into a giveaway for subscribers, so make sure you've hit that button and also click the bell just to be notified when the next beauty box unboxing is uploaded. Right, I'll see you very soon. Take care and stay tuned.